Swedish Institute, SI, Global Scholarship 2026. Applications are now open for the Swedish Institute, SI, Global Scholarship 2026, a fully funded opportunity for international students to pursue a master's degree in Sweden. This prestigious scholarship is funded and managed by the Swedish Institute, a government agency dedicated to developing global leaders. Swedish universities are currently accepting applications for the autumn 2026 intake, offering nearly 1,000 English-taught master's programs across various fields. These programs typically last 1 or 2 years, making Sweden an excellent destination for high-quality education and innovation. Important: to be eligible for the SI Global Professional Scholarship, you must apply for and secure admission to a Swedish master's program by the 15th of January 2026. The SI Global Scholarship is fully funded and covers 1. Full tuition fees. 2. Monthly allowance for living expenses. 3. Health and accident insurance. 4. Travel grant to and from Sweden. 5. Membership in the SI Network for Future Global Professionals, NFGP. 6. Access to exclusive leadership resources and scholarship guides. Eligibility criteria. To qualify for the SI Global Scholarship, applicants must be an international student from an eligible country, apply for and receive an admission offer from a Swedish university, apply for an eligible master's degree program, have at least 3,000 hours of verified work experience. Accepted work experience includes full-time or part-time employment, freelancing or entrepreneurship. Eligible countries. The scholarship is open to citizens of 33 countries, including Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Belarus, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Egypt, Ethiopia, Georgia, Guatemala, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Kenya, Liberia, Malaysia, Mexico, Moldova, Morocco, Nigeria, Peru, Philippines, Rwanda, Senegal, South Africa, Tanzania, Thailand, Uganda, Ukraine, Vietnam, and Zambia. How to apply for the SI Global Professional Scholarship 2026. Step 1. Apply for a master's program by 15th January 2026. Applications are submitted through the centralized system at universityadmissions.se. You can apply for up to 4 master's programs for autumn 2026. After submitting your application, you will receive an 8-digit application number. For admission-related questions, contact University Admissions directly. Step 2. Apply for the SI Global Scholarship, February 2026. The SI Scholarship Application Portal opens on the 9th of February 2026 and closes on the 25th of February 2026. Only applicants who have received an official admission offer can apply. Required documents: CV, maximum of 3 pages, 2 letters of reference, proof of work experience, valid passport copy, motivation letter. Key dates to remember: 15 January 2026, deadline to apply for Swedish master's programs. 25 February 2026, SI Global Scholarship Application deadline. 23rd April 2026, scholarship results announced. The official application links are available in the description below. Good luck and thanks for watching.